Hey, my name is Jake with Walser Nissan Wayzata. Today we're going ahead and taking a closer look at Nissan Intelligent Mobility. So what is Nissan Intelligent Mobility? Well, it's a suite of integrated safety technologies that keep you and your family safe and also keep you in control of your new Nissan. All right, well, first off, included in Nissan's Intelligent Mobility system would be our ProPilot Assist system. And that's basically a next adaptation of your cruise control. It allows for the adaptive portion. You can set it and forget it. Also keeps you centered in your lane, includes blind spot and lane departure as well. Up front, we have a couple of different safety techs. We do have your automatic high beams, emergency braking with pedestrian detection, do around the sides, of course, the lane intervention and blind spots. And of course, we do have the all-around view monitor, which is available on select trim levels. That gives you the full 360 bird's eye view. It does have cameras front and rear, sonar, and then your side camera as well to help you parallel park or back into or navigate tight parking spots. Of course, around the rear, we do have the rear cross traffic alert that helps signify if a car zips by you in a parking lot, and it will automatically emergency brake the car for you, keeping everyone safe inside. Of course, with the vehicle, we do have still hill start assist. Basically, we'll hold the brake pedal for up to 2 seconds, allowing for that lurch to not be in play when you start your vehicle on a hill. It won't roll back into traffic behind you. Behind that, we do have the trace control as well. If the vehicle senses any sort of user input, oversteer or understeer, the vehicle will auto-correct by applying slight brake pressure, keeping you centered around a curve the entire way. The last one we do have is the active ride control that helps keep you nice and level going over bumps or turns. Well, along with all the safety tech, Nissan Intelligent Mobility also integrates Nissan Connect services, which is just another layer of safety to help you and your family stay safe on the road. The app is free to download that is used through your smartphone, Android Auto device, or iPhone. The app is fantastic because it allows you to monitor things on the vehicle. You can remote start it from anywhere because it is satellite-based, GPS locate, has tire pressure monitoring systems. You can stay up to date on all your service. Of course, the car has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is paired wirelessly in this particular model. You can use your onboard navigation or over the phone navigation as well. Of course, the vehicle has remote start via the key fob, and the app actually includes satellite-based remote start as well, so you can start it anywhere in the US. Well, thanks again for taking the time to watch the video today. If you need any more information on any of these services we talked about, feel free to drop us a comment or stop in at Walser Nissan Wayzata, and we'd be happy to show you more.